Ito lang.
Magagawa, rush hour.
Rising up like a phoenixes, been tired of pushed down the grounds.
Napakalamig nitong araw na to, mga kapatid, dito sa Tokyo. And we are on our way to a museum. And as I've told you earlier, I didn't plan on anything. Hindi ko alam. I have no idea. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Alam ko lang malayo. Museum and the beach.
Speaking my heart like it really is, 'cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can holding me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now.
Quindi non è un problema. L'unica cosa, prendete la suite al pasmo, perché altrimenti dovete far file lunghissime per pigliare il biglietto. E detto questo,
He's saying that we pay 300 plus yen from Tokyo to this side of the world. No, to this side of Tokyo. This is after a station after Odaiba. So surprise! That's a surprise! I'm just happy because I really wanted to buy a new jacket, and there's a mall right over there. Yay! Do you know I haven't eaten breakfast yet? I'm starving. I think we're here. Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
yeah, digital art.
Digital Art Museum. Yeah, that's where we're going. If we can get a ticket. My Fuji camera. Wala pa naman sa budget ko na bumili ng new camera. What's the line for?
It was closed before, I think.
What's the line for?
To go into the museum.
Oh my
But,
god.
you know, that
Like what we
passed
did?
through there.
Yeah.
We did it in here.
Good thing
We
we came early.
Oh,
If not, we would have queued
yeah,
there.
yeah. No, that's why I wanted to be here at 10
Yay,
o'clock.
Sylvia! Woo! Brava!
So we're gonna eat something here in
Kamakura, yeah.
Yay! Let's eat here, please, please. No, but that was fun. Baka ang gentleman mo. Ouch! What's wrong? Ang sakit. Hey, Toyota. Ano nanggigilan? You do this, oh.
You do this, oh. freddo.
Sobra.
Io sono io proprio Natale.
Ah, mi chiamano una parlarella.
We are disappointed in you. After an hour in the train, we are in Kamakura. It's an hour away by train from Tokyo. Tsunami evacuation area. Nakalagay na sa sahig. Oo, sa sahig. Tsunami evacuation. How is it?
Good.
Sweet?
Even though it's not an Italian coffee, it's really good.
Mm. Okay. I'm at a point where I am exhausted. Ang tita niya exhausted na after 4 days or 5 days traveling. Kahit ilang bundok, kahit ilang ilog tatawirin ko para sa'yo, pangatlong bundok ko na to. Nasaan ka na? Iniirog kong mahal. Layo eh. Hahamakin ang lahat, makita ka lang.
Oh, yan na. Marami gwapo dyan.
Ang bilis, 3 bundok lang nandito na.
Oh, di 3 na.
Nabaliw na. Ma'am, sibil mo ako. Tubig.
Libre. Wala na akong coin eh.
Tubig lang ako. When in Japan.
Sì, ho capito, ma non esplode, eh? Che? Kala mo bomba, eh?
Parang I wanna live here. Parang lahat. The houses are landed. They look rich. Feeling ko mayayaman. Feeling ko mayayaman yung mga tao dito. There goes a giant Buddha. I guess this is what we came here for.
Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sands and watches the ships that go sailing. La mer au ciel d'été confond ses blancs moutons avec les songes pour la mer, bergère d'azur infinie.